Escape to a private oasis on this 5-acre property teeming with wildlife and natural beauty. This classic home features a charming front porch, perfect for sipping tea and enjoying the serene surroundings. With 2 bedrooms on the main floor and a lofted area upstairs, there is plenty of space for living, working, and playing. The unfinished downstairs area offers endless possibilities for expansion and storage. You will have the perfect blend of peace and convenience. Come experience the ultimate in private living. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent.